Hello students, welcome to this session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is ordinal numbers. In today's session, we will understand about ordinal numbers. You know, ordinal numbers are the numbers which tells us about the position, Let's suppose there are 10 people who are running in a race. There are 10 people or 10 animals who are running in a race. Then who won the race? How we will get to know? We will get to know when they run and the person who won the race, जो race जीतेगा, वो क्या होता है? First. That is the number first. Then comes second and third. We will get the position when the animals will win the race. They will come at certain position. These positions are called as ordinal numbers. They are denoted by ordinal numbers. जो अभी तक हम numbers कर रहे थे, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, जो आप लोग जानते हैं up to number 100, that are cardinal numbers. वो कौन से number होते हैं? Cardinal numbers. आज हम करेंगे ordinal numbers. Let us start the video and understand the ordinal numbers up to number 10th. So here we have ordinal numbers like first, second, third and so on. Here you can see the toys of Sunny. Sunny is a boy and he arranged his toys in an order. उसने अपने टॉयज़ को ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया है. जब उसने अपने टॉयज़ को ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया है तो उसने हर टॉय को कोई ना कोई पोजीशन दी है, कोई ना कोई जगह दी है. तो कौन सा टॉय कौन सी जगह पे है ये हमें पता चलेगा with the help of this line. Here you can see 1. 1 is called as first. 1 is called as first. F-I-R-S-T. First. First position पे है we have ball. By the first position we have ball. Sunny की first position पे है ball. उसके बाद आता है 2 which is called as second. Called as second. S-E-C-O-N-D. The second position is got by teddy bear. Second position से हमें क्या मिला है? Teddy bear. After second there comes number 3 which is called as third. Called as third. T-H-I-R-D. Third. Then comes up fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth. 4 is called as fourth. Then comes up 5 which is called as fifth. Called as fifth. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. Then 6. 6 is called as sixth. Sixth is called as sixth. S-I-X-T-H. Sixth. Then we have number 7 and it has a robot. 7 is called as seventh. 7 number की position जो होती है ordinal number में उसको कहा जाता है seventh. S-E-V-E-N-T-H. Seventh. Then comes up 8 which has a toy car and 8 is called as eighth. 8 is called as eighth. E-I-G-H-T-H. Eighth. Next we have a balloon on the position 9th. N-I-N-T-H. That is 9th. And the last we have dog which is T-E-N 10th. T-E-N 10th. Here you can see the number starting from 1 to 10 which is called as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. They are called as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. At various positions there are various toys. Sunny placed various toys on the various positions. So we will now find out the positions of the toys. Let's suppose we have some questions to find out and here we will see the position of that toys with the help of that sums. Here you can see students, ball is dash toy. Ball जो है वो कौन से number पे है? That is first. Ball is the first toy. Teddy is dash toy. Teddy, can you find out Teddy? Yes, Teddy is second toy. Teddy is second toy. Next, yo-yo is dash toy. Yo-yo is third toy. Yo-yo is third toy. Aeroplane is dash toy which is fourth toy. Aeroplane is fourth toy. Doll is dash toy. Can you find out doll? Yes, doll is at 5th. Doll is at 5th. Engine is dash, that is 6th. You can see here 6 number पे engine है, तो 6 is called as 6th. 6 is called as 6th. Students, ordinal numbers tells about the position. If you are going in a race or if you are putting something on the position, आपको बताना है कि वो कौन से नंबर पे आए हैं. अगर आपने रेस में पार्टिसिपेट लिया है और आपको पता है कि आप कौन से नंबर पे आए हो, अगर आप क्लास में आपने टेस्ट दिया है और उसके अंदर आपको अपनी पोजीशन फाइंड आउट करनी है, तो हम ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स की हेल्प लेते हैं. दैट इज़ फ्रॉम 1st to 10th. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. That's all for today's session of ordinal numbers.